encho ye school fees. Kero mwanafunzi ekira se college yetu kuba konya tule kuba ijuleria kusips eje kuba funding kurwa se serikali pamoja na funding kurwa se Higher Education Loans Board. Elinde banyara kora bagokora chikosi cyabo asogorora na kutabukia kwirari bageri asengencho yo kwaligania abasaye baitu pamoja na abayiboli bareta abana babo banyako bakonyora kiskiri ekira abakonye isikalia nwali intake intogendrete karibu
intake ya January nigo egendrete ayirira nigo bagutuka asensemo ya nyaribari masaba liatirimba asamange bakire 0757331085 igose batalire ase e website www.riatirimba.tvc.ac.ke Riatirimba Technical and Vocational College, scaling heights of technology.
Nyotangani kegema womoko yoiga 2026 nkuru kwa Matildah Obaigwa veni nyaboke akoretera higa asinjira yewe manyariro wancho murigire na nekero tochaka kura serikali enene muraibense moske William Ruto nigo ono mugasorero anyari kubwatoka ogochika buna aboroki wobonsi anemuno bali asegire bagosegire Ikomi banyare gosoa ase chiskuru nigo atebire nonye amechando okegendeze koene kiwa buna bono okubura we school fees na boigo aboroki wabande batabwatichi uniform banyare gotumeka chiri babwate kogenda chiskuru chinga kicho ligakwane buna batenere bechi skuru banyale ko bayitaba abayiboli na boigo kotegerere birero byabo chinga kichiga erekwane kibuna abana bonsi banyale otwekera chiskuru ochaka amasomo olimo lyoka kera watukire ogochika gochase abagambi akora ase chinsemo banyare kwane kibuna abana bonsi barusiwe ase binyoreme kogenda chiskuru.
Na hii mwezi ni ya muhimu sana. Ndio sababu kabla ya watoto kufika shuleni, ile pesa ya capitation tulishatoa pesa bilioni 44 to facilitate a smooth transition from junior school to secondary school. Mimi najua ya kwamba pale shuleni tumeambiwa ya kwamba kuna watoto wengi hawajaenda shuleni kwa sababu mzazi hana pesa ya kulipa school fees, mzazi hana pesa ya kulipa uniform. Mimi nataka nitangaze from Meru, na mimi nataka nimweleze every chief, kila mtoto apelekwe shuleni. Kama mtoto ako na uniform ya JSS, hiyo uniform ya JSS anaweza kwenda kutumia kwa secondary school, akingojea mzazi wako apate pesa ya kununua uniform ya secondary school. Mtoto wa Kenya asibaki nyumbani kwa sababu ya uniform. No child, and let me repeat for our education stakeholders, I am directing that no child should remain at home because they do not have school fees. Every child must go to school. Kwa sababu tumetuma pesa bilioni 44 kusomesha watoto wetu. In any case, there is sufficient money for teachers, for our children to be taught in the first term. So every child, wawe na school fees, wasiwe na school fees, wawe na uniform, wasiwe na uniform, waende shuleni tomorrow morning. Na mimi nataka chiefs na assistant chiefs na members of provincial administration, every child in Kenya must report to school tomorrow because we have provided the money to teach all our children. Tunaelewana jameni? Kwa sababu elimu ni ya muhimu.
Wancho muriria na eamate yomongna Elizabeth Nyangate nyoka kurwa ase kinyerugia kura iyo gutoka me yo wadi ya Busamaro ebunge ya West Mugirango County ya Nyamira niko yesokire na gusaba obokonyi irinde umwana wenkeyo asereta Frida Nyabuke nyoka anyare kugenderera na masomae anamono kiragoswa egrade kiri Ikomi. Frida Nyabuke nigobono anyarete konyora amagisi amaya ayo abonete kumauso ya ase skuru ya banyaruka ya Nyabururu abubono ase biakongire nekiro bakubura na nigo ubutaka obwekerengo kigoro wabere bwo kubabwatiranie nabo igoti bakonyara gusumwana uyo bono takonyara goswa eskuru.
What the breast cancer yorobere yaro yake tubeiro bukagenda bukaire nyingi ngaita sinyagitari just pinka onikire gento paka boni gande buseganda bwatikende atakere ko report lakini tindanyora besa goikerera bunandega bono bona sabira mwana ariko konyo bokonyi naende mondolera mabera muno muburaka aseboni gatimba atimulemba sengenjo umwana one akorera kya lituko tabwati mulemba gonde mama njendi ngocha kwenda school lakini tindanyora bokonyi nasabira mwana gonkonya agindo mwana agende school. Kwa majina ni Frida Nyabuke nyoka, a student of grade 9. I did my KGC exam. I got 67 points out of 72, but now in our family my father passed away. He was the breadwinner of the family. Since my father passed away, this life has been miserable to us. We even sleep hungry because we don't have anywhere to dig. We are just like this. I will pray that anyone with a good heart to just help me go back to school and to accomplish my dream of being a neurosurgeon. I was called to Nyabururu Girls High School.
Asante sana so yokoboko na baraibande ga Nyamira County undu wensi onyore information ye mungino mubara kekera kurira nyasaye ba abakune chinkoro moso yokoboko mwana yagende school na ere breadwinner ase family yera bwata bana 4 bono ye nero beire breadwinner nyasaye abakune chinkoro musire ase nkeye yabo kunanda gaiga kirani endeteyo undetayo baranyara ko baba gutamira nakaro umwana asoyiri nyasaye umugwatira ko bakwitirengereye undu bwansi pin information yeye guikira bali bakurigiye proga hawo abarayi hawo abateregita aba MCA aba senator oro mpaka iguru no gutoyikira ruto gaki umunene abakune chinkoro musiro mugine Elizabeth.
Mwancho murigirira na kurase umuche busongo we county eyega ya Kisii nigobono mwana munyaruka we miaka 10 uyu wanete goswa egrade kya gatano na kabere bono eso kire kubone umute ase Chinsa 45 Celine Olivia uyu konyo gosoma ase skuru ya Excel Academy nigobono atebire igatambukiro ekyo kyaye gusike mukirigyo kubone umute unanenchire yemo yo kubarwanira abana bari babwate umwibori oyo moyomo irinde banyare kwenyorwa ase amangana gusibanyare gusirwa ase okogendereria chisemi cyabo nigo atebire ni gose asingane yo achagete litkoregoro maragoba nigobono arachikobera roro gose akobera roro wika matukabire anyare kwera unenjire mo yo kubanyora bonsi bari babwate umwibori oyomo. Kutigana nayo kurasi chisemi nigo abaraya abaya ba boda abo banyara guchorwa chitariki 10 mutinyo iga umutangani umwako iga nene mono ase municipality ya Kisii nigo bono banyarire gusangirikana na bwe gusangibirengererio buna barachikoenekia uburayo buya ase sector ya bodaboda bakorawa na nunda nigo bono banyarire gukwanera gose ekero banyarire kugikeria siasa echu chaberi chikubwaterania sector ya bodaboda nekero baburirie barayi bagi siasa berusanani ase amangana gusaso bukoleri bwe sector yo nabo igo nekero bagusabira namba ya nabo igo kubora buna banyarire gutwara okubwaterana
Tende yonsi gitakeire gukorwa asabana ayabana abarundi baitu bo muchugoso. In fact boni ando bwato borai bore intact na ene to bwato borai twanjira nete twens ngana ugo tora wika 2029 January tarehe 10.
So mimi nataka kuomba hivi wanasiasa, hachana na sisi wana bodaboda. Bodaboda industry is an independent industry. We are not working under instructions of any politicians within our institution. Na mimi kama chairman ya Bosongo Bodaboda Riders Association ambaye nimechaguliwa na hao viongozi, nataka kuhakikisha ya kwamba wale watu waendezaji bodaboda, wale ambao wamefanya savings kwa hiyo sako, nitahakikisha kulingana na sheria wamepewa pesa zao kulingana vile wamefanya savings. Nitahakikisha ya kwamba sanity imeonekana katika industry yetu, sanity imerudi katika bodaboda yetu, wana bodaboda ni wasafi, hakuna mwenye anakunywa pombe, stages zetu ziko in order, watu makastoma yetu wanafurahia kazi ya wana bodaboda wetu.
Kuna nchina lako tebanga asingi njubura yobu achire. Tigabo beke mikakati miya, Mr. Chairman Fred Nunda beke mikakati miya, chisegi chiere Kisii, abantu tokole mirembo ya ito, no mwalembe.
Tafadhalini viongozi ambao wamechaguliwa waheshimiwe. Hawa ni viongozi wa wanabodaboda. Jambo lingine, katika mji wetu ningeomba kuona utaratibu wa wanabodaboda wasiingiliwe na yeyote. Abana ba minto nto ubaisi kusiro mwerekeo. Nto bwate bintu bibere. Eto bwate sako ni administration. Ibi mbiri ko koragasi yereyemo. Amangana ya association nere ko kora amangana ya administration. Ne sako ige okore ngento tokoro na savings and crediting ngayani okoko ngendo beke shares kia se sako ekero bwa beke shares kia oe we loan onyare waka ne interest yerense sana ange 1%. So ndo jito tabutiane
Mubunge okiaro muskendinde nyoro nigo bono anyare kwana no bosemia gochase abobotani Ekeombe ekia Aminet ekyo akikurigireria magana yo kwana na insurance aiga since ya Kenya moroberio yo husasa muyigo yo nyare gukorekana ase county ya Mombasa nigo muskendinde anyare gukwanira enchira bono abamenyi baria banjita mangana yo boncherere na boigo mangana uchumi baranyare wekinia na boigo kinia nonye nuchumi yense ya Kenya.
By the way, Bwana Daniel, why do you need to hire professionals as Minet? Why do you hire them when all your money is in government boards? You don't need anyone. You can actually run Minet with just an accountant, the director, and 2 other people. Because all the money you get, you know where it is going. So you don't need anyone even to do any analysis for you. You get money, you just kwanza kuna hii board tunapenda sana inaitwa IB. Infrastructure board. At it is tax free, it is nice, it is very high yield, very high. Then gentlemen, why can't we fold our bags and go back home today? Hakuna haja ya conference, because out of 100 shillings we have, over 80 is in government boards. That is the area where we have to think. And if there is any other point I'll give, it is only that one. And don't tell me about regulations and laws. That's why I'm here. That's why the regulator is here. Laws in Kenya are versatile, especially a law that is not entrenched in the constitution, like the regulations that guide the financial industry. They are versatile, they are dynamic, and therefore, they are not cast in stone, they are cast in rubber. You can change. They are actually written on a piece of paper with a pencil. You can rub and write what you want as the practitioners, as the professionals, as the companies. And you have seen it in Kenya. Laws are not static. Laws are dynamic, and especially to take care of the industry and growth. There is no way we are going to unlock our potential as the financial industry in Kenya if we are too lazy to invest 8 shillings out of 10 in government boards. We should actually all be civil servants because you are all investing in government instruments. Then all our fund managers should actually have an office in the National Treasury and CPK as the agent of the national government. Tuwekewe ka ofisi hapo, bodi kiletwa, tunanunulia tu hapo kwa transfer.
Wancho murigiria hapo no tukorere Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi chabo no mara kwa bakurinde kendera gutigara ime ya Getembe TV na bwo gutubwatia ase mitandao yaito yekerero Facebook Getembe TV, YouTube Getembe TV, TikTok Getembe TV and FM irindo nyara usanga aya na yanda mange asinchira yowe me kigima yo na yanda mange yanyore naro asinchira enkirano kigima Chinsa ibere na bwo Chinsa nye ase Ekeonga ngoruko Matildah Obaigwa na Nyamira ase bimanyerero nere Mike Wills wakaretera chivichana Mario Gasinchira engi kirano twara purigerero via nande wika ritukoriankyo nyasaye oyo.
Burabu Technical Training Institute iskuru jobo bundi yijese michekerero na magendero bakwili ya chisemo asinsemo ya Computing and Informatics Department mbabuate ICT Computer Programming Cyber Security Buiko Digital Animation and Media asinsemo ya Building and Civil Engineering Department mbabuate Plumbing Building Technology asinsemo ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department mbabuate Electrical Engineering Power Option Electronics Buiko Telecommunication asinsemo ya Institutional Management Department Nkurubari Fashion Design and Clothing Technology Hairdressing and Beauty Therapy asinsemo ya Health Science Department mbabuate Health Records IT na Community Health asinsemo ya Business Studies mbabuate Human Resource Business Management na Supply Chain.
Inche Samarita Dr. Were Momanyi, the principal Burabu Technical Training Institute. Burabu Technical Training Institute igere Nyamira County, Kebirigo Market. Burabu Technical Institute igeko some abana nade kuru chikosi chinyinge. Chikosi echi igachire chia magoko kose chitokoroka chiko abane skill egere gochimotu banyare gwekorera banyare konyora nwanegasi bagokoresa obwangu mwibori onde bwensi ototegererete tobase gotiga omwana ng'abere isiko ng'oko bachibesa nchiyo ese institution yaito gose ese skuru yaito okoreta omwana oyo tomoapuraere tomobeke ase serikali aeguchibesa chie government scholarship gose capitation aeguchibesa korwa ase serikali ese ensemo tokoruka help aeguchibesa chia CDF igo omwana oyo ekera airuchibesa ichionsi igemineti ng'a igagosoma bosa tobaise gotiga omwana oyo isiko ekiagera ng'a tobwatie ebesa morete nabo tokobwaterana omwana oyo anyora amasomo achigwekonya nande achikubakonya.
Intake January 2026 nigo egenderete ilikirero bwenyori baga Burabu Technical Training Institute nigo bagutuka asebare Kisii Ikonge angeno muchoke brego asamange bakiresimi inuti isano na ibere inuti isano na ibere inye isano nemo ibere eyemo isano na isano nemo inye inuti isano na ibere isano na ibere inye isato ibere inuti isano boigo inuti isano na ibere isano isato inye ibere isano nemo kusoma taliri ase website www.burabutti.ac.ke Burabu Technical Training Institute Technical Skills for Development.
Kisii bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja etibi ya wanje ya Getembe Television Network witera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki